Okay. It should go down. You can look at that. Sorry. Where's it? Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aleva Shiondu. Sorry, today my picture quality won't be that great. My video quality won't be that great because it's late at night and I'm using my Samsung Note 9 to make this video for you guys. I want you to watch this behind the scene of a photo shoot I want to do. I actually want a dreamy girl shoot, a beauty shoot, just to play around with flowers and nature. But these are artificial flowers though. Yeah, and I'm done setting my light. I'm using a 2-light setup here today. I'm using a Godox V850 II, which is under this 6-foot umbrella, and I'm using the speed light somewhere up there, and then all thanks to the decorator did those events. You can check her out on Instagram. Yeah, and I've just used my assistant here to set my light so that when my model comes out I don't get to waste much time, and then like I'm done. I'm using a Nikon D750 for this shoot with Nikon 85mm 1.8G. Yeah, so you can just stick around and watch me do this photo shoot. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that I don't get to miss my upcoming video tutorial. My model Cynthia is ready. You can check her out on Instagram, Cynthia Zaya. She'll be out here any moment from now, so that's quick. It's really late already. As a matter of fact, she's sleeping because she got tired of waiting for the decoration. Yeah, it's unfortunate that we couldn't start on time due to 1 or 2 hitches. It's already 10:30 p.m. Yeah, so I believe we don't have much time to do the shoot.
Mother is here already, and some settle. So, makeup, the decorator, she did it.
The small one? No, the big one. Buy me.
Kai Queen.
Okay, please turn the light on.
Situation. Oh, some fires. pilot position. Video mode. You're on speakers.
So that's my
That's okay.
So what you do is like this. Raise your hand up. One hand. And then one is down. Take one hand straight up. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. And then. Alright, start it for me. Yeah, maintain your hand like that. You also have a good one. So one should go up, one should go down. Yeah, that's it. So now that leg, take it closer to you. No, your head up, a bit. Close your eyes and open your lips a bit. Your head up, your head up. Alright guys, so we are done with the photo shoot. I thank you guys for staying tuned to watch the behind the scene video. I promise I will upload the edited pictures on my Instagram page, so you can check me out on Instagram, Aliva Photography, or you can use the link below that will direct you to my Instagram page. This shoot really took us a long time. This is 11:30 p.m. and my neighborhood, everybody's asleep right now. It's quiet everywhere, so we really have to try and pack up. Maybe I'll go and start working on the pictures. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so that I don't get to miss my upcoming video tutorials. Yeah, and I must give this shout out to Cynthia, the model. I want to give a big shout out to the decorator Dido. Even you can check her out on Instagram. And I want to give a shout out to the makeup artist. Please check her out on Instagram, Beauty Posh. You can also use the link below this video under the comment section. Follow her on Instagram. She's a very great makeup artist. Yeah, and one more person I want to give a big shout out to is the fashion designer Sashis. So you can also check her out on Instagram. Follow her. She has really amazing outfits there, ready to wear. Yeah, or you can use the link below under the comment section. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, much more important. It means a lot to me. Yeah, because it really encourages me to do more videos. I know that okay, people are out there watching. So thank you guys once again. I'm sorry for the video quality. I'm using my phone to record this video. Yeah, so probably tomorrow or another day we'll bring out better and much more quality video for you, and I hope the audio is also great. Good night, guys.